Apple fans are looking forward to seeing the new artificial intelligence side of Siri when iOS 27 launches, but it appears that Apple may have additional tools in the works. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. In its analysis of its latest operating system beta, sources noticed some signals that Apple might be working on a photo authentication feature. Apple Reference Image appears to be a tool that will verify a photo was taken with an iPhone camera. To confirm that a photo is an iPhone capture, select Sensor Information and Metadata for an image can be sent to private cloud compute for verification. A new reference mode will need to be enabled on an iPhone's camera in order for this authentication option to be available. If you're wondering what's the point of this feature, then know that resources for checking an image's source in this age of AI slop is more critical than ever. Up until now, most of the tools offer authentication by putting a digital watermark onto generative AI creations, such as those in Apple's Image Playground and its other forthcoming image editing capabilities. Google also continues to expand its SynthID AI watermarking program. This approach of reference image to create confirmation of content's provenance could be a useful counterpart to those metadata watermarking efforts. However, since all this is happening in an ongoing beta test, it's possible that reference image won't be included when iOS 27 does have its public rollout this fall. But if it does, figuring out which picture is taken by an iPhone would become more easier than ever. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.